everyone, Mrs. Johnston here. Today we will be learning a sound called your turn, my turn, your turn. And this isn't like for flower, it's a different way to spell. Okay. And our picture is a little boy taking a lovely photo of a beautiful butterfly. So we say, when we see this picture side, take a photo. My turn. Take a photo. Your turn. My turn. Take a photo. Your turn. Well done. And this is what our sound looks like. A P and a H together, two letters, one sound, and they make the sound my turn, your turn. Well done. Okay. So when you see this side, you say take a photo, and when you see this side, you say the sound. You ready? Well done. Take a photo. Take a photo. Take a photo. Well done. Okay, now we are going to Fred talk some words that have our sound of the day in. So my turn. T, r, o, f, e. Your turn. And blend those sounds together. Well done. Trophy. My turn. A, o, f, a, b, e, t. Your turn. And blend those sounds together and read the word. Alphabet. Well done. Next one. My turn. E, U, E, F, A, N, T. Your turn. And blend those sounds together. Well done. Elephant. Next one. My turn. N, E, F, U. Your turn. And blend those sounds together. Well done. Nephew. And last one. My turn. O, F, A, N. Your turn. And blend those sounds together. Well done. Orphan. Okay, I'm going to put our sound in with the rest of our sounds that we have already learned. When you see our sound, can you point and say, take a photo? Are we ready? Let's go. Ear. O. Shun. Aya. Take a photo. Well done. Going to hide it again. Ow. Oi. Ah. Or. Take a photo. Well done. Going to hide it again. Okay. Air. Well done. Oo. E. Shus and shus. Well done. A. O, I. Take a photo. Well done. Okay, I'm going to hide it one more time. You, your, A. Well done. E, N, or. Take a photo. Well done. Super sounds. Okay, our next part of our speed sound lesson is reading the green words with our sound of the day in. Okay, first one. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. That's right, orphan. Next one. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. Nephew. Well done. Next one. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. That's right, elephant. Next one. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. That's right, alphabet. And our last one. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. Trophy. Well done. Our next pile of green words are words that you should have seen before with special friends and sounds that you have learnt before. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. Inspire. Well done. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. Please. Well done. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. Square. Well done. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. That's right, knock. And last one. Thread in your head. Blend those sounds together and read the word. Pause. Well done. Okay, our next pile of green words are our speedy green words. So you should be able to read these quite quickly. Are you ready? Let's go. Slid. Test. Frog. Pram. Best. Gran. Clip. Jump. Well done. Turn to your adult and say super speedy green words. Okay, last pile of words are the alien words. So, spot the special friends. That's right, our sound of the day. Fred talk. Blend those sounds together and read the word. That's right. Fant. Well done. Next one. Spot the special friends. That's right. E at the end. Look back for a friend. A. Fred talk. Glate. Well done. Spot the special friends. That's right. E. Fred talk. Blend those sounds together and read the word. Eat. Reat. Last one. Spot the special friends. That's right. E at the end. Look back for a friend. So that's I. Fred talk. Blend those sounds together and read the word. Well done. S-p-r-i-l. Sprile. Turn to your adult and say, what a load of nonsense. Okay, our next part of our speed sound lesson is to write some spellings with our sound of the day in. Okay, so the first word I would like you to spell is the word trophy. Trophy. So Fred fingers. T-R-O-F-E. T-R-O-F-E. Trophy. And don't forget that E sound isn't an E. Your turn. Trophy. Okay, let's have a go together. T R O our sound of the day, and the E, the Y, because it makes the E sound. Well done, trophy. And let's mark it together. A tick for the T, a tick for the R, tick for the O, tick for the F, and a tick for the Y, the E sound at the end. Okay, number 2. I would like you to spell nephew. Nephew. Fred fingers. N-E-F-U. Nephew. N-E-F-U. Nephew. Have a go. Okay. So, our sound of the day. And ooh, chew the stew. That is how we spell nephew. Let's mark it together. A tick for the N, tick for the E, a tick for the F, and a tick for the ooh. Well done. The next word I would like you to spell is the word orphan. Orphan. Okay, Fred fingers. O-F-A-N. Orphan. O-F-A-N. Orphan. Off you go. Okay, and let's try together. So the first sound is O. Shut the door. Then our sound of the day. O. Orphan. And let's mark it together. A tick for the O sound. A tick for the F. A tick for the A. And a tick for the N. Well done. And our last word is a bit of a challenge. It's quite a long word. Is alphabet. Alphabet. Are you ready? Fred fingers. A, O, F, A, B, E, T. 7 Fred fingers alphabet. A, O, F, A, B, E, T. Alphabet. Have a go. Okay. So the first sound is A, O, our sound of the day, ow, f, a, b, e, t. Alphabet. Let's mark it together. A tick for the A tick for the O, a tick for the F, our sound of the day, tick for the A, tick for the B, tick for the E, and a tick for the T. Well done. Okay, our next part of our speed sound lesson is hold a sentence. Okay, so our hold a sentence is my turn. I take a photo on my phone. Your turn. My turn. I take a photo on my phone. Your turn. Okay, my turn to count how many words. I take a photo on my phone. 7 words. Your turn to count. I take a photo on my phone. My turn. I take a photo on my phone. Your turn. Excellent. Let's have a go. So the first word is, that's right, I. Need to make sure it's a nice capital I. I. The next word is, that's right, take. So finger space, take. T. A, K. It's that split A digraph. Take. I take. Well done. A. So can't fit it there, so I'm going to go on to the next part. A. I take a. Well done. Photo. Finger space. Don't forget it's F, our sound of the day. F. O. Photo. I take a photo. Well done. On. Oh. On. I take a photo on. Finger space. My. My. I take a photo on my. That's right, phone. So our sound of the day again. O. Phone is the split O sound there. And don't forget the full stop at the end. Okay, let's read it together. I take a photo on my phone. Again, I take a photo on my phone. Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. Well done.